Do you know how GIT Rebase is used in live projects? Suppose the team splits the application code into two branches, feature 1 and feature 2, to work on different features. Both teams push their changes to the branches on day 1, but team's one feature 1 is merged into the master branch, making it live. Now, on day 2, team 2 wants to integrate the latest changes from master branch into their feature 2 branch. This is where GIT Rebase comes to support teams 2. It helps Team 2 to incorporate their changes from master into feature 2 without creating messy merge commits. After using Git Rebase to sync up with master on day 3, Team 2 keeps the code base neat and up to date. And that's how Git Rebase helps teams to stay organized and efficient in their development workflow.
If you found the video valuable, we encourage you to subscribe, like, comment, and share. By subscribing, you will stay updated with our latest uploads and never miss out on new content that can benefit you.